Hi, I'm Rosemary.
How did you find out about the practice?
I have been coming to this practice for many, many years. It used to belong to Dr. Bruce Markoff. Dr. Dulac was chosen by Dr. Markoff. They were buddies. They worked for a while together, and Dr. Dulac took over this practice, and he is awesome.
Oh, that's wonderful. And when you came in, what was the problem or concern area that Dr. Dulac fixed for you?
Several years ago, I needed a bridge, and he did my bridge for me, and it was a wonderful experience. I had an old bridge there that had a bunch of metal in the back of it and stuff that my tongue would always hit. I now have a perfectly clear white ceramic bridge, and my tongue no longer rubs up against some rough areas from my old bridge, and it's held up very well.
Were you nervous about getting the bridge done with Dr. Dulac?
No, but I'm always nervous that it's going to be painful, and it never is. There's always a little bit of anxiety when you come in to get a crown or whatever, at least for me. But even with the Novocaine, he's so good with the injections of that. It's really not bad. I mean, it's not wonderful to have, but he's a good dentist, and there's no pain.
Awesome. And would you recommend us to other people?
Absolutely. And I always come here for all of my dental work, whether it's a filling, a crown. He is one of the best dentists that I've ever been to and continues to be.